Yes, I lived with Seagull in 1974 for 1 year. I would just sit there, watch him paint relentlessly, living with genius. Sometimes we would take this rudimentary phone and ring Dog. But he never returned the call. Dog! Hey man, these cats would ring me up every day, man, about High on Borneo. And you know what they say? Hey man, you were there, man! Hey man, you were